Welcome back, you guys. On today's episode, we're gonna make a 3-ingredient chicken taco that'll blow your mind. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Actually, I think it's in my book. I know it's in my book. I should have planned this out better. I have this recipe in the book. Hey, there we go. Chicken tacos. That's what we're making. You see that? So what we're gonna need for this recipe, actually, I'll read it off to you. We're gonna need half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili. I can't even read my own fucking book. Okay, well, let's restart that. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, salt, pepper, tortillas, chicken. That's it. It's in Not Your Mother's Cookbook. Go check it out. This is in stores everywhere. And by that, I mean it's at the Barstool Sports Store on the internet. Basically the same thing. Give it a shout. Give it a look at. I don't know what I'm fucking saying. Let's make tacos. Okay, enough book shit. Okay. So what did I say we needed? I said we needed cumin and chili powder. Where's my fucking cumin? Ah, here we go. Cumin. Do you see that catch? Did you fucking see that catch? Hopefully this is recording. That was a sick fucking catch. First things first, I'm gonna get our chicken breast prepared. We're gonna butterfly the chicken breast open. And I'm gonna turn my camera on because I don't wanna miss this angle. I'm not getting mad anymore. We're turning a new leaf. There's no getting angry at the technology. The technology doesn't know. It's not the technology's fault. But I swear to God, if you don't fucking turn on, if the battery's dead, I quit. This episode's over. The battery's dead. No, it's not. It's not dead. Okay, the episode's not over. That was gonna be a quick one. I was gonna walk away. Okay, the butterfly chicken breast. Very easy to do. Hand goes on top of the breast. Knife goes into the middle of the breast. You slice. You don't slice up. You don't slice down. You slice evenly through just until the end. You don't want to go all the way through. So let's do that right here. Bang. Hand on top. Find the center and slice. And if you're not sure about it, you can peel it up and keep going like that. Peel, slice, but it's very easy to do. And then once you get there, you flatten it out, you turn it over, you give it a few smacks, and there you go. Butterfly chicken breasts. Step 2, let's season this thing up. We're gonna go in with chili powder and cumin. That's a little heavy on that. I thought, fuck it. What was I saying? That's your basic season. Any taco flavor that you're getting is mostly cumin and chili powder. That's really the base of it. It's not too complicated. It's mostly cumin. Cumin is kind of what you associate with taco flavor. The chili powder helps bring it whole. And chili powder has a bunch of seasonings within it. So it has some oregano, it has some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. It's a nice blend of spices. And then I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of salt. But that's it, very, very easy, very basic. Again, nothing crazy. We could go nuts with this, but this is trying to keep it simple. This is the meal. Oh, fuck, I've had chicken 3 times this week already. I'm bored, I'm sick of chicken. What do I do with my last chicken breast? Bang, a few spices, you grill it up, and you have tacos. It's one of those just to mix up the motion a little bit. All right, same thing to the other side. And again, now I'm not measuring, and I suggest too that you get used to not have a general idea of how much of a seasoning is, like half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon, but then start to play with it. If you notice, like I rarely measure, and that's all kind of cooking once it comes to that you can, not this is a bad example because it's on raw chicken, but say you're making a sauce, now you can just taste that sauce. Oh, I put a little too much vinegar in it. Okay, let me counter that out with some sweetness, or let me counter it out with some heat, and start to play, because that's how you develop your palate. That's how you become a better cook, is really by fucking up, putting too much of something, and then learning how to balance it back out. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Let's just cook this fucking chicken breast. Pan, medium-high heat. Let it come up to temperature for a few minutes. We gotta get it going. While that's happening, I'm gonna rub this chicken with a little bit of oil, just with those spices, so it kind of has like a half marinade. We're not marinating, but just to kind of mix it in. Get everything nice and combined on that chicken breast. Pan needs about 2-3 minutes to warm up. Oil in the pan. All right, there's a little bit of smoke in the pan. That's not to worry. We don't have to get freaked out by a little smoke. We can go in with our chicken. Get that in there, lay away, press down. You want to hear that sizzle right away. If you don't hear a sizzle, not hot enough. We're not gonna get it seared. This is gonna cook very quick, probably 2-3 minutes. It's nice and thin, so 2 minutes on the side, flip it. Probably 2 more minutes, then we're done. It's a quick dinner, quick dinner. So just let that go. Once it hits the pan, don't fuck with it, don't touch it, let it sear. While that chicken's searing off, I'm just gonna heat up some tortillas on the open flame. Very simple, you're just putting it on. If it's flour, if it's corn, you should do this every time. You don't want cold tortillas. You never want a cold tortilla. Some people have to learn that the hard way, but you can't have cold tortillas. Try not to fucking burn yourself. That's pretty much it. Little char is good. Little color on that's not bad. Check the chicken. It's been about 1:30, 2 minutes almost. Oh, it comes off with ease. Okay, it's ready to flip. Great sear on that. Beautiful. All right, we'll probably only need 2 more minutes, 3 max. Oh, shit, I'm burning. No, that's not bad. That's not bad. A little bit of char, like I said, that's good. Oh, brother, where art thou? That one might be burnt. I walked away. No, we're good. We're good. Okay, turn that fucking shit off. All right, let's go to breast to feel. That's feeling good. That's feeling done. Nice and firm. A little bit of oil splat on you. No fucking problem. Take that off the heat. Right to the cutting board. Let that rest. We can't slice into it right now. The juices reabsorb. Let it come together. Let it chill out. We'll give that 2 minutes and then we'll slice into it. Bada bing, bada boom, simple taco, 10-minute meal here, guys. 10 fucking minutes. Rachel Ray, fuck off with your 20-minute shit. This is 10-minute meal. I love you, Rachel. All right, chicken's rested a bit. Let's go in and slice it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautifully cooked. But that's 4 minutes of cooking. That's not a lot of time. You don't want to overcook your chicken. Don't fucking kill it. Don't put it in the ground. Remember, you can always put it back on the heat. You can always cook it to temperature. You can't take it away. If you overcook it, you're fucked. If you undercook it, slice into it, put it back on, learn from it. All right, now I'm just gonna cube this shit up. Look at those, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look how plump that is. Well, let's build. This is a street taco. It's just chicken, a little bit of cilantro, some lime. If you have some raw onions you wanna put on, that's delicious too. Oh, I got my salsa, duh. Look at this, I made this yesterday. The link is right here if you're on YouTube. The link will pop up right here if you're on Instagram. It's my last video, I just made it yesterday. We have some fresh roasted salsa, a little bit of mango in there. Delicious, that's gonna go right on top. Oh, go first, let's get a squeeze of lime on that. Let's get a little bit of lime on that. Yep, that, my friends, is a good looking taco. This is it, it's how you mix up chicken. You're not bored anymore, you're eating fucking street tacos. Holy shit, holy shit. So simple, but so good. Fresh salsa, nicely cooked chicken. What more can you ask for? Warm tortillas. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. I'll see you next time. I'm Chef Donny. Peace.